Guys, it's time to clean.
No, I cleaned up my mess.
Okay.
This is my mess.
Okay, guys, it's time to clean the living room.
I cleaned up my mess.
You can leave this here, but I need this area cleaned up because I'm going to be cleaning the couch.
Okay, Aubrey.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jill with At Home with Jill, and in today's video I am going to be cleaning my couches really well. Vaclife sent me this cordless vacuum cleaner that is made for homes with pets. It is an amazing pet hair remover, and I am actually selling our big giant sectional that we just recently bought. We bought it used and we are selling it for the same price that we bought it for. It is just too big for our house, and also I have discovered that the couch covers, like the cushion covers, are not easily removed to wash in the washing machine, and that is just a huge deal breaker for me because we have 4 kids, we have pets, and yeah, I really need to be able to wash our couch cushion covers. I am so glad that I kept our IKEA couches. I just had this weird feeling to not get rid of them, and I'm so glad I stuck with that. One of them is in my son's room, and one of them was on our back porch. So I'm going to be cleaning the one that was outside really well. And I'm going to also be cleaning the one that I'm selling really well, because someone is supposed to come get it tomorrow. I don't know if he'll show up, but I really hope so. But anyway, I am so excited to try out this little handheld vacuum from Vaclife. It is wireless, so you just charge it up and it's ready to go. It has a washable filter. It has like a crevice attachment for getting in like cracks and crevices. It has a really cool like silicone brush roll that's great for like grabbing the hair and then it sucks it up. And it has like a circle like hair, like a stiff bristle brush that's great as well, and I like using that on like the dusty baseboards and stuff like that. So anyway, I am going to get into this video, and you guys are going to see the couch that we've been keeping on our back porch is underneath these mud nests. We have swallows that come and make these nests. Now, we know that you're not supposed to let them make these on your house because apparently it can like ruin your stucco and all of that, but we love seeing these birds flying around so much we just leave their nest there. It doesn't bother us really, but their mud has been falling all over this couch, and so anyway, that gives me a good opportunity to clean it up. And then this is the one that's in my son's room, and our cat Milo, who was a stray, and we now let him come in. He loves my son. He pretty much chose him. He lives in his room, and he's always on that couch. And then this is the couch that we have out here right now in our living room. The dogs are always on it. The previous owners had 2 giant huskies. We were under the impression that their dogs didn't go on their couch, but after I took all the cushions off, I was like, yeah, their dogs definitely lived on this couch because there was a ton of long white husky fur. So anyway, I am just showing you guys how nasty it is in here. There was also a bunch of toys in under the cushions, of course, lots of hair, and yeah, so I'm really going to get to test this vacuum out really nicely for you guys. So anyway, oh yeah, and I wanted to tell you guys I'm so excited. We are getting a piano, and we're going to be putting it underneath the whiteboard. So it just gives me a bigger kick in the hiney to get our dining table sold and get a smaller one in here. So anyway, I was getting that all nice to take pictures for listing. And now I am charging the vacuum, and so I figured I would clean my room while I let the vacuum charge up. And then I found this little tool that I missed when I was unboxing, but Yeah, so it cleans the filter, I'm pretty sure. But you can also rinse the filter and air dry it. But yeah, now I'm just going to clean my messy, messy room. And yeah.
Take me out to California. Take me out to California. I feel the day is coming to an end, and my eyes are drawn to southern skies. And all the while I was trying to pretend the promised land was there beyond the great divide. But I'll be coming home soon. Yeah, I'll be coming home soon. So take me out to California, where the sun is always high, where the streets are paved with gold and no one ever gets old. I'll be longing for that day till you come and take me home. California, California, here I come. I've seen it all upon the silver screen, the happy faces and a sign upon a hill. The wine is flowing and the fields forever green, and all your hopes and dreams will always be fulfilled. So I'll be coming real soon. Yeah, I'll be coming real soon. So take me out to California, where the sun is always high, where the streets are paved with gold and no one ever gets old. I'll be longing for that day till you come and take me home. California, California, here I come. Take me out. So take me out to California, where the sun is always high, where the streets are paved with gold and no one ever gets old. I'll be longing for that day till you come and take me home.
Okay, so right here my vacuum died, so I set it aside and just picked up all the pieces of paper and random stuff that was big on my rug and just left it alone. And come to think of it, I still haven't plugged that thing in. I need to go do that.
I don't really need a new friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gorgeous. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, 'cause I am golden, I'm golden. You're not really looking for a friend, so at the top for me. Never thought that loving would be easy, but it's all for free. Won't cost a thing, so it's yours, worth the try. Oh, this is the real thing, I'm down if you're down, boy. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gorgeous. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you.
Okay, so I guess it might be kind of funny to tell you guys about these boxes stacked up there on that table pedestal. Okay, so I literally get about, I would say, 3 to 4 birdhouses from Amazon in the mail a month, and also tons of packages of those closet hanger things that I did a video about earlier this year. So somehow, I don't know what happened, but this company that I worked with, somehow, like, I don't even exactly know what's happening. This is just my guess. But somehow I got put in like their database, my address for their returns. I don't understand why or how or what, but I get birdhouses sent to me constantly, and they have a return receipt in them, and it's like someone ordered this from Amazon and now they're returning it, and when they return it, it gets sent to me. And the same thing with these closet hanging space saver closet clip things for coat hangers. Like, it's the most random, weirdest thing, but I literally worked with this company for the closet clips, and they also wanted me to review their birdhouse, and I just never did, but now I'm getting these things in the mail all the time. So it's the only thing I can think of is like some mistake was made. Our couch is shedding on that part, but it's because it was out in the sun. But anyway, so yeah, so now I am constantly getting these birdhouses, and that's why they were stacked up outside like that. I'm just kind of slowly hanging them in the trees around our property, and I gave some to my mother-in-law too. Alright guys, if this is not real life for you, I don't know what is. There is tons of stuff under these cushions. First of all, so much dirt. Like, so much dirt. Like, dirt and sand. I don't even understand how that is possible. We don't even have dirt around our house anymore. It is mostly grass and like rocks and stuff. But it just amazes me how dirty couches get underneath. And then so many toys, just toys getting lost in here. I don't understand it, but it is what it is. Also, what you can't see from here is like in the crevices where the bottom meets the backing, I found like 20 pencils. Not in this section, but like over, like throughout the whole couch. At least 20 pencils and colored pencils and markers and crayons. Like, what the heck?
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again.
guys, that is gonna do it. I'm done vacuuming all underneath and in the crevices and everywhere, and it looks a million times better.
Now walk backwards.
And someone is coming to pick, hold on. Someone is coming to pick up this couch tomorrow, so I'm just going to leave it disconnected right here. I'll probably just start getting it ready, maybe stack one on top of the other, like upside down, so no one sits on it anymore. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Make sure you check out Vaclife. I will have a link in my description. This thing is completely packed full again, so I need to empty it and clean the filter and let the filter dry so it'll be ready to use next time. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.